Entering data in Airtable is easy. Organizing it properly is where most people struggle. In this video, I'll show you how to organize data in Airtable step by step in 2026, so your bases stay clean, scalable, and easy to manage long term. Alright, as before touching views or filters, start with structure. Each base should track one main thing: tasks, content, clients, inventory, not everything mixed together. Clear purpose first, clean data later. Next, fix your field types. Don't leave everything as plain text. Use number fields for numbers, date fields for dates, single select for status, and checkboxes for yes or no values. Correct field types are the foundation of organized data. Now, rename your fields clearly. Instead of vague names like info or data, use specific names like due date, status, owner, or priority. Clear labels make large bases easier to understand at a glance. All right, this is where Airtable shines. Use views. Create different views for different needs. One for active work, one for completed items, one for planning. Views don't change your data, they just organize how you see it. Next, apply filters. Filters hide everything you don't need to see right now. For example, only show items with status set to in progress. Good filters reduce noise and help you focus. Now, sorting and grouping. Sorting arranges records by date, priority, or status. Grouping stacks similar items together, like tasks by status or projects by owner. This instantly makes large datasets easier to scan. All right. One advanced tip. If your table feels crowded, split it into multiple tables. For example, one table for projects, another for tasks. Linking tables keeps data organized without duplication. Finally, maintenance. Regularly archive completed records, remove unused fields, and review views. Organized data stays organized only if you maintain it, and that's how you organize data in Airtable properly. With the right structure, field types, and views, Airtable stays fast and easy, even as your data grows. Organize once, maintain lightly, and everything stays under control.